This video will show how to attach canvases to wood floater frames. The first step is to assemble the tools and supplies that you will need. They are the frame, drill, screws, spacers to keep the painting centered, and your painting. Place the painting in the frame. And then place the spacers between the frame and the painting to center it before you drill in the screws. We recommend small scraps of mat or foam board for spacers. We used 1/8 inch foam board and 1/16 inch mat board to center this painting. Once the artwork is centered, move it slightly off the table so you can drill in the screws from behind. Place the screw in the hole and take your drill and drill it in. Now turn the frame and repeat the process on all 4 sides. Now remove the spacers from the frame and you are now ready for final fitting. We have covered attaching strap hangers, wire, and bumpers on a separate video.